What's up, guys? So it's been a very long day for me. I worked 13 hours at my job, starting at 6:55, 7, same, whatever. Didn't get off until 8 at night. So that's 13 hours, including the overtime. And we also get paid changing clothes, which they call donning and doffing. That's a quarter hour. So you add that in there. So about 13 hours, and then I had to go to Walmart, get groceries and some other stuff. So then I stopped at Freddy's, steak burgers and custard for supper, which was at like 9. So getting kind of late, and now it's just after 10 o'clock, and I'm just getting done, like putting groceries away, other things like that. And so I'm out in the garage because I got a couple things, and well, one thing I need to do, and then some things I got to show you guys. So let's do that. On a side note, appears the wax is working pretty well. So if you guys didn't watch my previous videos, this is a, after I polished it, this is a base coat of the Meguiar's Ultimate Paste Wax. And then I sprayed over it with the Chemical Guys Banana Wax, which is a spray wax. So, I mean, honestly, yeah, works pretty well. But what I need to show you guys is actually what I got done on the Focus. And before I do that, I better grab a light. That's going to be necessary. So we'll come to the back. Old engine stuff, by the way. So, come back here. Oh yeah. All new subframe, new control arms, new springs. Thing is a gem now. If I can get a good eye on this. Those are the adjustable control arms, by the way, those red ones. And we also got poly bump stops. We got poly isolator coil bushings. And the poly end links, which were there before. But yeah, this is all new. The car is good to go. We also got poly sway bar bushings, and I'm going to replace that one with a better one, as well as the front, eventually. But yeah, and we also put new bolts in there. Pretty much anywhere a bolt would go, there is a new bolt. So yeah, there you have it. This is also new, by the way. Just did this last night. New shelf. This is awesome, honestly. It is so helpful for organizing and whatnot. So, in the center we keep my detailing stuff, which I gotta add a couple things to that shelf. As soon as I wipe it off with a somewhat dirty towel. There's the Ultimate Paste Wax, by the way. So yeah, gonna put some waxing towels there, as well as another bottle of the synthetic detailer. But we will actually keep this one out front because this one is new, so we'll keep the old one out front. Yeah, it's awesome. Keep everything nice and organized. Here we have more work-oriented things. This is I'm actually going to open this box here in a sec. Show you guys what's in there. Alright, so here's a box from Summit. It's nothing really too special. Just figure I could show you guys what I ordered. I'm doing this with one hand, so give me some, cut me some slack here. Maybe I should just punch the box. That didn't really do nothing. Yeah, I'm just gonna break this open and we'll get back. Okay, well, this ain't exactly what I expected, actually. That's just some whatever. But I did get what I asked for. We got my energy suspension decals. I ordered 2 of them in white. Here is the other one, energy suspension, because that is where I got the poly bushings from. I also got Summit stickers, which not really sure if I'm gonna put them on the car, but yeah, that's that. Yeah. Energy suspension. I actually had a complaint with them. Like I had to complain to them that they were missing a few bushings in the box. So I emailed them and they actually did send me back what I needed. But otherwise, you know, it seems like their stuff is pretty good. Alright, the one thing I was going to do tonight. This is a BWD product from Advance Auto. It is a EGR valve, because I currently have a code for it. So here is the new EGR valve. From what I've read online, it should be a pretty simple fix, and it looks pretty easy to get to. And there's the new gasket in there. But I will be putting that on. Hopefully it goes pretty smoothly. I have changed an EGR valve before, but it was on a Ford Escape 2002, I think. If you look under here, your EGR valve is right back there, so I'm going to have to take the intake tube off. And then from there, it looks like it's just a couple bolts, and then I have a feeling the hose that connects to the top of it is going to give me problems coming off, because I think it's still the factory hose. And then I'm going to have to figure out how to unscrew that, connecting it to the pipe down there. Maybe it just screws off and it's not a problem, but we'll see. It looks like a factory EGR valve, original, because of the Ford sticker on there and looking at the age. Yeah, so this ought to be fun. I want to be in bed by 11 o'clock. We'll see how that goes. We'll get back to you guys. Well, guys, I failed. The stupid valve does not want to come out. I got the two 10mm bolts that hold it in from the side, but I cannot get that big nut down there that screws into the bottom to come loose. I tried 3 different kinds of vice grips, and not a single one was able to break that loose. And before you go into the comments joking about telling me to put down the purse, I used WD-40 on that a couple times. That should have came loose. There's no way it is, unless it's very rusty, which, judging by the EGR valve itself and the nut, it very well could be. So, I don't know, maybe I just need better leverage, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I give up today. You win. You win, car. You win this round. I need a beer. Well, I suppose it's getting pretty late. I'll just throw my energy suspension stickers on there and call it a day. So, yeah. That was totally a waste of my time. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.